I woke up at 3 in the morning and there was water pouring out of the ceiling in the kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to do a review of the apartment that I lived in for the last year. I'm moving out today, which is crazy. It feels like so weird. I am filming a move out with me vlog, so I don't know when that's going up, if it's going up before this or after. But you should subscribe and check that out if you're interested. I'm a student at the University of Central Florida, and I have lived at UHouse, Central Florida for the last year, which is a student housing, like apartment building. It's literally like 2 minutes from UCF campus, and today I want to give you guys the pros and the cons. I do have to be out of here in an hour and a half, and so I was like, I got up early so I could like make sure everything was done so that I could film this for you guys. So I hope you guys appreciate it. Let me pull up my list, because I did make a list so I don't forget anything. I think I'm just gonna do like the pros first, and then I'll do cons after. So the first pro is the parking garage. I really love the way the parking garage is set up here. It has access to every single floor, so there's no like bridge that you have to like go up or down to get to the parking garage. And for me, the parking garage was literally like right there, so I just had to walk out my door and down a hallway and I could park right there, which was really, really nice, especially when it was raining and that kind of thing. And it was like, it's a gated parking garage, so I did really like that. But yeah, I do like the parking garage situation. Gonna miss that a lot. Okay, every room here comes with a walk-in closet. I've never had a walk-in closet before this, and I absolutely loved it. So yeah, that was a big plus to this. One of my favorite things about this place was the storage in the bathroom. There's so much storage in the bathrooms here. There's 4 drawers down the side of your vanity, and then there's cabinets, or there's a cabinet under the vanity obviously, and there's like so much space on the top. And then over the toilet, there's this giant cabinet with 3 giant shelves, 4 giant shelves? 3 or 4 giant shelves that like go back so far, and it holds so much stuff. I'm gonna miss that so much because I definitely took advantage of it. Okay, so my next pro is the kitchen. The kitchen is quite a big, like large kitchen, which is really nice if you like cooking and that kind of thing. It's honestly laid out pretty well. Like I was pretty happy with it. I didn't cook a lot because I moved in with randoms, and so I didn't really feel always comfortable in the common like area with them here, which is why I didn't film a lot, but it's okay. So my other advice is when you're moving into housing, try to find roommates ahead of time and kind of get to know them over text, or like, I don't know, if you know somebody, whatever, because moving in with randoms is like a toss-up, and you never know if that's going to be good or not. It wasn't like a bad situation for me, it just was like we never became friends or like close, and I just always kind of felt uncomfortable when I was in my own apartment, which is kind of weird. So the next pro to UHouse is the apartments come with a TV in the living room. A lot of housing doesn't, you have to bring your own TV, so this was really nice to like just have it here. At first I really thought my roommate brought it, and then she was like, no, it comes with the apartment, so like that was really cool. I think that's all the pros I can think of right now. So I'm gonna go in with cons, but I have like an in-between like con pro thing. So the thing with this place is it has 2 rooms that are the same size, which is like my room, it's smaller. And then 2 rooms are larger, much larger, and you pay the same amount for both, and there's no like guarantee that you're gonna get one or the other, so it's kind of annoying. My roommate recently moved out, and they actually left the door unlocked, so I'll give you guys a short tour of her room, but it's huge, and it has the walk-in closet and a linen closet. It has both, which is like, I could have used that, but it's a little frustrating that it's that way, but I feel like the price difference should be factored into that, but it's fine. So going into the cons, and these are things that have recently really bothered me. Not recently, they've bothered me the whole time, but they've really gotten on my nerves as I've gotten closer to moving out. I guess it's because I am moving out, I don't know. Okay, so my biggest thing with this place is the Wi-Fi was so unreliable. It would literally like go out on a daily basis. Or not, yeah, almost a daily basis. It would like just go out randomly, and sometimes it would be out for 5 minutes, sometimes it would be out for 2 days. And that was really frustrating, especially as a student, you know, you kind of rely on the Wi-Fi, and then with the whole pandemic thing, I couldn't go to campus to get Wi-Fi, so it was just like really frustrating and hard to deal with that. And I know they did change Wi-Fi carriers to try to fix the problem, but it still does it, and it's, I don't know, it's really quite annoying. But when it does work, it works pretty well. So like, another con is the washer dryer. The washer dryer is honestly pretty small here. So if you're trying to do big loads of wash, it doesn't work. If you put too much in the washer, it doesn't wring out the clothes. So then when you try to dry them, they don't dry. It's really frustrating. One time I waited like 6 hours for one load of laundry to be done. So that was really annoying. And another time I tried to put my comforter in the dryer and it burnt holes in it. So don't put anything too big in there because it just won't work. That was really frustrating and I got really annoyed with that. So I'm really excited to be moving where there's a full-size washer dryer. So okay, so another con is the couch is literally deteriorating. I think they said they're gonna be replacing them. But me living here, it was literally deteriorating, and when you sit on it, there's pieces of the like leathery couch stuff everywhere. It was in my room, it was in my bed, it was in my shower, it was everywhere. It would stick to me and it would just follow me everywhere. I swear when I move out of here, I'm just gonna find random pieces of couch for the next 2 years. I don't know. So that was really frustrating, but like I said, I think they're going to be replacing them. I did ask, but it was too close to move out for me to be like, hey, like, can you change it now? But like, whatever, I am moving out, so it doesn't matter. Another con that I don't necessarily love, but it's like it's not the worst thing ever, is the key situation. It does come with all of these keys, and you have to carry this around with you all the time, because one of these keys is to your bedroom, one of them is to your apartment, one of them is to the mailbox, and then you have a key fob to get in to the building itself. And this is like loud as shit. So it's very annoying to carry around with you all the time. I think a lot of places now are getting like the key fobs that open the doors and everything else too. So you really only have like that and your mailbox key, which is what I'm gonna have when I move. But the key thing was very frustrating. Other than that, the amenities are really nice. It has a really nice pool area and gym and other stuff. It has a basketball court right out here, a volleyball court out here. It has like a really nice like sitting area back that way outside, a little like putt-putt thing. Overall, the staff is really nice. They've done like a pretty good job. I've only had one issue or two issues with maintenance really. I asked them to come fix something, they came and like it didn't fix it, but then I called and they just came back and fixed it, so that was good. I had an incident where I woke up at 3 in the morning and there was water pouring out of the ceiling in the kitchen. I found out that the ice machine above me broke, but when I did call them at 3 in the morning, they didn't come to like clean it up. They just didn't come and I ended up falling back asleep, but they did come in the morning to help me clean it up, but I don't really love the way they did that, but it's okay. That's not obviously like a regular occurrence. I think overall I did enjoy living here. It's like a nice place to live. I hope this helps you out if you are looking for student housing near UCF. Yeah, I did film an apartment tour when I moved in. So if you guys want to see that, I'll link it down below and put it in the little eye if you guys want to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I gotta go move out now, but thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.